Welcome friends, welcome back to the kitchen, welcome back to Cocktails After Dark. Today we're going to do a recipe out of this 1930 cocktail book called The Art of Drinking. And so 1930, we're still in American Prohibition, and it's a very interesting cocktail book because he skirts the issue of legality by talking about how one of his relatives has left him a cellar full of alcohol, so he's able to make all of these cocktails. And today we're going to do something called the Honolulu Lulu. And one of the really interesting things about this book is, again, because it's during Prohibition, it's very sort of loose with the ingredients. And it tells you at the beginning to use what you've got and make substitutions where you need to. And make substitutions that make sense to your own palate. And so this one starts out with gin. And it doesn't make any mention about what style of gin, just gin. Although he does talk about bathtub gin in the preface. Next in is pineapple juice, lime juice, and grenadine. And this is our homemade grenadine. I really like this. There we go. And now we ice our tin. Give it a good shake. Okay, and I've got two Nick and Nora glasses here that are chilling. We'll get rid of that ice. And I will double strain these. Now you don't need to double strain the cocktails. I just do it to get rid of some of the ice shards. Hey, Jules.
Hey, Glenn. Hey, friends.
So this is the Honolulu Lulu.
The Honolulu Lulu.
Honolulu Lulu. Isn't that?
I do not want to. I would not want to order that.
I know.
In the time when you're a little tongue twisted.
Well, and not only that,
Honolulu Lulu.
This book and this time period often don't talk too much about garnishes. I am sure at this point, if you went in and asked for a Honolulu Lulu at a bar today, it would come with...
There'd be pineapple.
There'd be all kinds of stuff.
And, yeah.
This one doesn't talk anything about that. It doesn't give any instructions whatsoever on how to make this drink.
So it's all about you and your style.
It's all about you and your style. Exactly. So I think you might like this one, Jules.
Excellent.
Cheers.
Yep.
Yeah. I like that. I like that.
Yep.
So we did
I have another one.
We did a cocktail a while back that had, what was in it? I forget what the spirit was, but it had pineapple juice, lemon juice, and lime juice. And you liked it. I didn't like it because I thought there was one too many things in it. This works really well for me. I like it was a rum drink. It had to be a rum drink because it had pineapple in it. Because today, pineapple and rum mean tiki.
Ah, yes.
Whereas in 1930, it wasn't quite there yet. So I think change up the gin. Try a different gin.
The one you like.
Try the gin that you like, and maybe try with a couple of different gins. I think this would work really well with that Ungava gin that we have.
Let's try it.
Bring a completely different flavor to it. Thanks for stopping by. See you again soon. Cheers.